In today's news for you, treats for your dogs, healthy and maybe not too expensive. Dr. Wendy King owns Spears Creek Veterinary Clinic. Always here with great information, and she'll take your questions online about your pets in a moment. But first, let's talk about treats because, yes, they can be expensive. And a lot of them, I kind of look at those ingredients and I think I have no idea what those are. So the ones that we could buy at the grocery, you're not such a huge fan of.
No, because I don't like the ingredients, but I don't like high fructose corn syrup in myself, so
Right.
I don't like it for pets. But surprisingly enough, it is in pet treats. The key thing about treats is everything in moderation. Just like for people, treats are in moderation. But if you Google online, you can get a whole array of different kinds of treats that you can make for a pet. So I just brought in some ideas of things. They use peanut butter.
My dogs love peanut butter.
Canned pumpkin. But remember, it's not the pumpkin pie making, it's the canned pumpkin.
The thicker kind, not the pie mix, it's sweet.
Correct.
And,
Correct.
So the real stuff.
A lot of people like to use whole grains, and that way they know what kind of grain their pet is getting. Honey is a common ingredient in the pet treats that you can make. But my point is that you can go as simple as green beans.
Instead of having to put
Instead of putting a concoction together, you've got green beans. They love the green beans. They like the canned ones, but they also like the fresh ones as well. Really easy. Get the low sodium kind.
What about green beans out of a frozen section?
Fine.
Okay.
They love them.
And is there a limit as to how much we allow them to have?
Not the green beans, because they're a green vegetable and you can get as many as you want.
This is one of my favorite things that you do. You've taken a sweet potato, you sliced it, and tell us then what you've done, because this is a nice, chewy, crispy.
So all I do is I slice it and then I put it on a pan in the oven, and I usually put my oven on the lowest setting that it will do. I put them in at night, and then in the morning when I wake up, I have all these little rawhides for the dogs.
This is great, but yet totally healthy and not to mention inexpensive. May I show you guys this real quick as we wrap? I know my producer Will needs me to get out. Raisins, yum. Hershey's chocolate, yum, but you say a major no-no.
Big time toxic in dogs. And garlic. Make sure you don't add any garlic to the treats as well. And baby food has garlic in it. Watch out. Garlic and onions. Stay away from them.
Okay, no garlic, no raisins, no chocolate for Fido. You're wonderful as always. Ask the doctor your question. Go online to wistv.com/4 p.m. Dr. King will be here till 4:30. Right now.